You deserve it. Try to take a chance, say it's worth it. You deserve to do your thing. You deserve it. I believe in you. 'Cause if you deserve it, ain't nothing can stop your flight. Ain't nothing can stop your flight.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing my room tour, and this is my room. I was gone for I don't know how long, but today, hold on, let me pause this. This is my new phone. So, today, well, when I came back from my sister's house, she got my reaction. I freaked out.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, that's yours too.
What is it?
There.
And then I saw this house. It came with this closet and those two.
Okay, hey y'all. So I'm just showing y'all this. This is gonna go into Pooh's room. She's not here, so I want to surprise her with it. But she was sent this set from Beverly Hills Teddy Bear. You can go check them out as well if you want to see any of this stuff. But I want to show y'all what it is before I put it in her room. Two of these, which are the Tiny Topkins play sets, and then the other one is a dog. And then they sent her this Tiny Topkins baby and crib, and then they sent her, this is her baby, and then they sent her this big Tiny Topkins playhouse set. So I'm gonna let Diva open it so y'all can see what's inside. Okay, so when you open it up, inside there is the family. Comes with a mama and her little baby, and then it comes with the crib and a, look like a backpack. I'm not gonna open none of it because I want to surprise her and let her open it up. And then there's another set, and there's a little play thing she can play inside. It's a little schoolhouse. Got the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s and the little rug. She's so cute. Okay, so in this one, this is the little doggy one. Oh, that's so cute. It comes with a mama and a baby. No, she don't have this one anymore. So this one is the Tiny Tupkins. She's gonna open that one. It says a 6-piece. It comes with a crib, a mystery plush, removable diaper, 1 blanket, and 2 play accessories. So here's the blanket. And inside the blanket is like a little bottle. It's so cute. So here it is, showing you all the ones that you can get for your kids. I love this. This is super cute. We're definitely ordering from here. And then, oh, it comes with a little wooden crib. How cute. And then inside the wooden cute crib is a little plush. That is just the cutest little thing. So this is the big one, and it comes with this super cute little plush, and it's the Tiny Tupkins Playhouse. It comes with 3 plush family, a bedtime accessories, and fold out bed. And it opens up. You can open the little door. Oh, it's so cute. And it comes, here's one room. And it comes with the little cute little parents. I think they're little rats. And then all little mouse. And then it comes with the little closet. This is the bed that folds out, I believe. Yeah, this is the little bed that you can make into a bed so they can sleep on it. We're not going to open that all the way. And it comes with a little house. And it comes with a little crib with some hangers. And this is the full house. It comes with a kitchen and a little chair, little thing. So if your kids don't like to play with like hard toys, they like to play with plush, I think these are the perfect gift. I love it. I'm so glad they sent it to her because she's gonna be so excited when she sees it. And I'll get her reaction when she come home to her room, because she haven't saw her room all put together. So thank y'all for watching. I hope everyone has a great day.
And when I was gone, I got this book and I have those. And Terry built this for my baby. First, she's like here. She was taking a nap when I was on my phone, but then she woke up. She got her ears pierced, got on a bracelet, got on, she has a binky, so she doesn't. Oh, and I decorated this with stars. With the rest of my stars that I have left. This is my bed pillow, and this is where my shoes are.
Okay, so Pooh always sweat. Her feet sweats really, really bad. So I've been looking for something for her shoes, because her shoes start to smell because her feet sweat. So I was sent this linen, I don't want to say his name wrong, or her name, and L's Silly Feet magic shoe spray. And let me tell y'all, this stuff really, really works. Like, really works. Like, I was sent this to do a review, but the review is this stuff works amazingly. It gets rid of the smell in the shoes perfectly. And they sent me this and the powder. I haven't tried the powder yet, but this right here is amazing. So I'm sure this is going to be amazing too. So if your kids have silly, silly smelly feet, you might want to try this on their shoes, because I've been looking for something for a while that was kid friendly for shoes. And all you do is take it, or all I do is take it, and then I wash her shoes, of course, and then I spray this inside, and her shoes won't. This smells really good. This one is bubblegum or grape, and then this one is bubblegum, which she likes the best. So, and it really, really helps with the smell. So if y'all really want this, I will leave the link down below to get it, and you should. It's a must try. It really does work.
This is my closet. This is my closet. There. Oh, I got some new shoes too. The reason I have this in here is because I didn't have enough space in my room to put all the stuff, so we had to move it so we can have more storage. Oh, ready? Don't show. 3, 2, 1. That's what Terry did. Read it, Terry. Being a black girl is like being part of some super something else. What is it, Terry?
Prestigious.
No, some super something.
Exclusive.
Prestigious.
Goddess
organization. It's lit. Melanin poppin'. Girls rock and black girls create magic, so that makes me magical. I like her puff. My attitude is my unique. I don't know what that thing is.
Gift,
which I am not obliged to explain to anyone. I don't have an attitude, although I just have a personality. Personality you can handle. This is my TV stand that I had. They had to build it when I was gone. Like, I was out there. I have a lot of family members, and I don't get to see them that much. You might want to turn the camera on. Right there. So I didn't even know that I put I put them in separate ones. Like I have all the white ones right there, black ones right there, and that's so crazy. And all this other stuff. So that's the clothes. We get that kitchen stuff, furniture, blah blah blah. My stuff, hair stuff, more wheels, and some more furniture or playthings. This is my backpack. My other one that I used to use for dance. Oh, there's Diva. So she got a picture of me. Hey, what's up? Hey guys. And guess what? I got a chair. Guys, I have a really good surprise for you. That's for my baby. Come here. Can I tell him on Instagram? Come here. Her drawer is freaking full.
Whose drawer is this?
My baby's. That's my sister is her aunt. So she also have a jacket because it was cold. What is this? Thanks, my hoverboard charger. How did it get in there? Bags. Well, this is hair stuff where it has people like me and my sister. We have mannequin heads. They have our names on it, and we get to do their hair. And this one is where all my bags are. It's cute. My favorite. It's fabulous. I know.
Yes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And watch Princess Diva Styles all you want. And are we getting notifications?
Yeah.
And we're getting notifications. So, see you next time. And we have another room tour. It's going to be me and Diva. And I think we're going to do some more hair videos by her taking my hair down and putting in another style and Divas. I'll tell y'all something. This is for real. Do not go outside because you're probably going to get sick, and if you do, you're going to die from the coronavirus. I'm not kidding. So if you don't listen, I'm telling you, I told you so. I told you. I told you so. That thing is dangerous.